make sure that you've copied all the required files for your phone. Now this is no OSS and your ROM. Now reboot to Pitchback recovery project. That is the one I use. You can use something else. And make sure that your phone is decrypted. Once you're in the recovery, click on install and then find the no OSS vendor file. Now this is required to be installed before you install the ROM. Select the file from all the files there is, right, and swipe it. Once you swipe it, the installation will begin. Right, as soon as you can see that the installation has begun, don't worry, you might get some errors in the end, but that is post the completion of the script. Right now, all we can do right now is wait for the script to get completed. This script does take a few minutes to get completed. It might seem like it is taking too long, but do not worry. Once the script is completed, you're going to see such a display on your console. Now go back to home, click on install again. Now find your ROM from the given files and install your ROM. Right now, the links for the ROM and the NoSS vendor are attached in the description. Make sure that you check that out. Once you press on installation, your installation will begin without any worries. Now do remember, if you have a password or something like that on your phone, make sure that you format data after the installation, because that is absolutely necessary or your ROM would not boot, as you will see, because I did have a password but I did not format data. So you're going to see that in a few minutes. So as you can see, even this is a long waiting period, and I wish I could speed it up, but I want to show you exactly how this works. So that's why I am taking it slow. So as you can see, there are a lot of things that need to be completed and a lot of things that need to be done, and that is the reason why it takes so much time. And as you can see, yes, it is a time consuming process. So yes, now the process has been completed. What we're going to do now is we're going to reboot to system. So what you'll observe now is a common problem with a lot of people. Like you saw, I did have a password and I did not format my data. So as you can see, now it's going to boot loop because the data hasn't been formatted. Yeah, so as you saw, the data wasn't formatted and the phone boot looped. So now what we're going to do is we'll be put back into the recovery. So all you need to do now is access your recovery. Now obviously you do have a password, and the password is the same password that was for your old system, right? So make sure that you put that password in there. Right, once you've put the password, the recovery will decrypt your storage. Once that is done, click on wipe, format data, type yes. Once you do that, right, all your data will be formatted. Remember, your internal storage is formatted every time, so make sure that you do have a backup. Once done, you will start rebooting, and as you can see, you're on the Google boot logo. That means your ROM has started booting now. This is the Android 12 Pixel Experience ROM, so it is crazy good, crazy smooth, and you're going to totally enjoy it. So as you can see, I kind of switched the view here and yes, welcome to your Pixel. The Android 12 ROM has been successfully installed.